Pete the Cat Big Easter Adventure. Fat Cat Books. Please subscribe and press the bell.
Pete the Cat Big Easter Adventure by Kimberly and James Dean. Read by Teacher Mike. Pete was excited. Easter was here. He couldn't wait for his basket of goodies. Jelly beans were his favorite. It's a very nice day today. The sun is shining outside. Uh-oh! His basket was empty. Except for a note.
Pete, please help! Find the eggs, paint the eggs, hide the eggs. Thanks, the Easter Bunny. P.S. Where are these?
The Easter Bunny had left a note. He needed help. He also asked Pete the Cat if he could wear something. What does the Easter Bunny want Pete the Cat to wear? There are some Easter Bunny ears next to the empty basket. The Easter Bunny wants Pete the Cat to wear the Easter Bunny ears so that he looks like the Easter Bunny. Ha ha ha! Boing, 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 boing. Pete put on the bunny ears and thought,
Meow, a cat with ears like a bunny. Now that's funny.
Pete's basket is still empty. He needs to find some eggs. Where can you find some eggs? Do you know? Pete can get some eggs from the chickens.
Happy Easter, chickens! Do you have any eggs today?
Asked Pete.
I'm helping the Easter Bunny.
Sure, Pete. We have lots of eggs.
The chicken said.
We are happy to help, but don't you need a bunny nose and fluffy bunny tail?
The chickens were right. A bunny nose and tail would be neat. Then Pete's costume would be complete. Pete is making the bunny nose. He's also making a bunny tail out of cotton wool. Pete put on the nose and tail like a bunny's. A cat dressed up like a bunny? Now that's funny. But wait, all of Pete's eggs are still white. He needs to paint his eggs. Now Pete was ready. It was getting late and he still had a lot of eggs to decorate. What colours would Pete use? He can use all the colours in the rainbow. Can you name all the colours in the rainbow? There's red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Hop, hop, hop. Off to the tool shed for paint and brushes. The tool shed has many tools. There's a saw at the top. There's a hammer below with a red handle. There are 2 screwdrivers next to the hammer, which have green handles. There's a box of nails below the hammer. And there's a box of screws below the screwdrivers. There's also a red lawnmower next to Pete. But Pete needs some paint and brushes. Where are they? Ha-ha! Pete has found the paints. Pete couldn't wait to paint the eggs. Some eggs had 1 colour. Some eggs had 2. Some eggs were red. Some eggs were blue. When the egg painting was done, Pete had a basket full of bright, colourful, amazing eggs. Now hiding them would be lots of fun. The tool shed is now messy. There are a lot of paint pots and brushes everywhere.
What colors can you see in the picture?
There's an orange pot of paint, a yellow pot of paint, a green pot of paint, a blue pot of paint, and a red pot of paint. There are also many paintbrushes. There are 2 brushes with blue paint on them. There's a paintbrush with orange paint on it. There's a paintbrush with green paint on it. There's a paintbrush with red paint on it. And there is a paintbrush with yellow paint on it. Wait! There's also a paintbrush with purple paint on it. But there is no pot of purple paint. How did Pete the cat make purple paint? Do you know? Of course! Pete the cat mixed blue paint and red paint together. That makes purple colour. It's now time to hide the eggs. But where, oh where, would Pete hide the eggs? Around the neighbourhood, for all his friends to find. That's where Pete hid the eggs. How many eggs can you see? Can you find them all? There's a red one on the bike seat. There's a yellow one between the bike and the red house. There's a blue one in the window of the red house. There's a green one under the tree. There's an orange one on top of the tree. There's a red one in the window of the yellow house. There's a green one on the chimney. And there's a blue one between the yellow house and Pete. So far, there are 8 eggs hidden around the neighbourhood. Where else will Pete hide the rest of the eggs? Pete hid eggs in flower pots. He hid them in the water spout. And when he was done hiding the eggs, Pete the cat was all worn out. Helping others out is what Easter is all about, Pete said. Pete's job was done. He was hiding the last one when the Easter Bunny arrived.
Hello, Pete. I have something for you. Good job, Pete. You were a big help,
said the Easter Bunny. The Easter Bunny gave Pete an award for a job well done. What was the award? Can you see? It was a gold badge with 2 red ribbons. It says, Number 1 Helper. Helping others can be lots of fun. Happy Easter, everybody! When Pete wakes up on Easter morning, he finds that the Easter Bunny needs his help. Read along to find out if Pete can help the Easter Bunny before Easter is over.
Get your free Easter activity book at fatcatbooks.uk now.
Happy Easter, everyone! I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get more fun stories like this. See you next time. Goodbye. Make sure your child is reading and spelling accurately with the Fat Cat Phonics program. Make learning phonics easy and fun with the virtual teacher, which allows your child to learn along with me. T, ant. Complete various exercises. Ant. And read unique stories written by myself, Ant and Fat Cat. An ant is in ink. They're designed to be easily read in the early stages of their reading and will build up your child's confidence. Also, make the end of the lesson revision fun with one of the phonics games. Ant. Download some free lessons now at fatcatbooks.uk. I also have a complete comprehensive course of phonics programs. If you're left frustrated looking for a fun and engaging learn-to-read curriculum but feel overwhelmed by the choice, then look no further. My phonics programs have everything you need. I developed my phonics programs over many years of teaching and I'm excited to bring them to you. All you need to do is follow my systematic, easy-to-follow 4-step lessons. Each lesson builds up on the previous lesson and ensures your child will commit what they've learned to memory. I've taught thousands of kids and they're all happy readers. There's no preparation needed or major lesson planning. It covers everything you need to build up blending and decoding skills. By the end of the programs, your child will be able to read up to 80% of the words they'll encounter at their age. The programs include real teacher videos hosted by me, Teacher Mike. Also original stories, 2 course books filled with colourful fun activities, which are available as printed books, but currently only for selected countries. So check it out, see if it's available where you are. It also includes a huge set of printable flashcards, over 1,300 across the programs, and a virtual teacher. The virtual teacher is a very powerful yet simple tool. Children can learn to sound out and read all the words and the stories with just a press of the button. They can even do the exercises first on the virtual teacher before doing it in the book. This makes it great for the classroom, allowing activities to be done as a group. Also, all pronunciations are provided with a video of me saying the word, which makes it much easier for non-native speakers to learn how to say the word, as they can visually see how it's formed. The virtual teacher also includes fun, colourful games to make learning super fun. It runs on PowerPoint, so no installation is required, no internet is required, you can learn anytime, anywhere. So, you don't need any experience or need to do any major preparation. You don't need to install anything or log in every time you want to use it. It's an effortless program guaranteed to get your child reading. So check it out now at fatcatbooks.uk, or if you have further questions, you can contact me with the links in the description. Goodbye, see you next time.
Yellow and blue, make it a split, split, split. Then I'll dance just like a bunny. Wiggle my nose up, so funny. Hop, 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 oops.